What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video. In addition to my Theta Guardian node, if you are trying to stake as much Theta tokens to earn as much T-Fuel, as well as my Elite Edge node, if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel, same thing as well. Help out the ecosystem, help out my channel, as well as helping out yourselves more importantly by earning as much T-Fuel to utilize on either Theta Drop, Open Theta, or any transactions across any of the blockchains, any of the meta chains that will be building on Theta Network. But like I said, the QR codes will be right here as well as down below. So if you want to use the summary code down below, if you want to copy and paste it, whichever is more easy for you, those links will be down below in addition to all the links like I just said. Going on to the Explorer page, I'm sure people will be happy with the price in the making of this video. I'm not sure how it will be next week. Just another reminder, some of these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time. The current price of Theta is at that $1.39 mark, as well as T-Fuel at that 5-cent mark and T-Drop at that 0.0024 mark. I believe I said that correctly. So we shall see where the price will go by the end of Q1 of 2024. It seems like there's a lot of positivity in terms of Theta Network picking up traction for this project, so I'm just looking forward to it. I haven't seen too much news in terms of any of the other partnerships other than the Film 3 type of information, so hopefully there's going to be some more building blocks. I do see some information with the Fuse Wars NFT project, that gaming project, but we'll dive into these things I have for you guys in the next minute. I do want to mention right here the Theta metachain transaction. It looks like it has been increasing. It looks like about 300,000. It looks like right here, maybe if I click on this, about 300,000, yeah, a little above 300,000 transaction in the last year, it looks like. So if you want to look at more information, like I said, all the links are down below for you guys, so it's easier for you guys to navigate along with me. Going on to X, we're going to see some. It's not going. None of these videos are financial advice. This is definitely going to be more part of speculation case on this video. So starting here, seeing that this individual post, accelerated computing and generative AI have hit the tipping point, demands insurging worldwide across companies, industries, and nations. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, patiently waiting for the version 1 release of the Theta Edge cloud. Not financial advice. If you click on this as well, this individual posts that the same thing and says NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang just said. So just more speculation on this. We do see the information, and of course NVIDIA has increased its actual project. I believe it's in the trillions now, if I believe that correctly, maybe billions. Going on to the next part here, we're going to see that more a little bit speculation, of course, but not financial advice. Do your own research. Looking forward to the use case for the future, says Theta Cloud, Theta Edge Cloud, Google Cloud, NVIDIA, and you have T-Fuel. Going on to this announcement right here, you're going to see that announced today, NVIDIA announces we are collaborating as a launch partner with Google in delivering Gamma, an optimized series of models that gives users the ability to develop large language models using only a desktop. So what are your thoughts on this as well? Continuing on with your guys' opinion onto this video, seeing where you think NVIDIA and Google are. We do have some understanding that Theta and Google are associated with each other. It seems like Q2 of 2024 will be a huge leap for Theta. At least that's what the plan seems like it's going to be. So if things pick up in Q2 of 2024, for everyone watching these videos and who are subscribed, it looks like it's going to be a good year for us Theta investors, but that's what people are trying to be hopeful for. That is what I am also hoping for. So put some thoughts, guys, any comments down below. I'll try to answer it. Let's start a discussion and see where things go from there. Continuing on with the news, we're going to see here Fuse Wars as well. Fusing innovation with immutable power. Now let's return their regular scheduled programming. Fuse Wars on Immutable X enhances the game's scalability, accessibility, security, and support for NFTs, creating a more enjoyable and seamless experience for players on the Syndex. Continuing on with this project, it seems like there's been a lot of traction has increased and a lot of more traffic has increased for this game altogether. So that is what we want to see Theta projects gain more traction, more popularity, so that when it's actually being utilized, when the game is released and the blockchain is being utilized, that is the whole point for these smooth transactions, gamifying these NFTs and utilizing them in the game other than just collecting them in web wallet or any kind of storage wallet. But as you can tell based on these images here, you see that the game has been doing well. I don't remember if there was hit markers when I first used this demo back in 2021, I believe, or 2022. I think it was 2022. Theta'S of 2022, yeah. So you can see that the game has definitely evolved. I don't know if this is a single player or if that was matchmaking, but I believe the story will be there, and then just something you have to wait and look forward to. I'm hoping that the game is going to be more for people who are more access to. I haven't had the opportunity to download anything or the beta test it in my own private time. Just have not had much time to actually try that out. So hopefully in the near future, when things get a little better in terms of timing and just position of Theta, I'll be able to have more time. Going on to the next part here, we're going to see that Theta EuroCon says, are you ready for the inaugural Theta EuroCon in Prague, June 22nd to 23 of 2024? It's going to be an unforgettable experience thanks to their amazing sponsors, Theta Network, looks like POG Digital, STVRcom, and Open Theta. Big shout out for them to making it all possible. See you there. So here's the Czech Republic, the location for the ThetaCon. I haven't heard too much news about it. I know it's kind of similar to how ThetaCon is in the United States, trying to incorporate minds, partners, businesses all together, socialize, network, that whole type of experience. This does look like a pleasant event. It looks like it's going to be a fun venue based on what is shown here. I believe this is the entirety of it, but I'm not too sure if it's actually going to be hosted here. So I know there's the video right there, but I'm not too sure if the location is going to be finalized. Haven't heard too much news about it. That's the reason why I'm more speculative on it. So here's the date. Going on to the actual event here, even on Theta Drop, you'll see View the Drop. Nice little logo right here with the Theta logo in the O. Continuing on to the drop, you will see that the price is about $170 and there's only 3 sold. A little nervous for those who are attending an event if you haven't checked that out. And it looks like there isn't that many people. I'm assuming that everyone, even the creators and those hosting or sponsoring the event, have to buy these things. At least I'm not too sure how this is going to work out. It's just a little unfortunate you've only seen 3 people buy it and not too much news, especially with the event coming up kind of soon in the next 4-6 months. Scrolling down a little bit, just some more information about Theta EuroCon. The premier European community-driven conference for Theta Network is a groundbreaking event organized by and dedicated by community members. This unique conference aims to unite the Theta community across Europe, fostering connections and collaborations by offering a platform and teams and companies to showcase their innovative solutions. Theta EuroCon at the forefront of promoting growth and creativity with a Theta ecosystem. The event reflects a deep commitment to nurturing a shared vision and driving an advancement of the blockchain, technology, and digital assets. It's a celebration of collective effort, innovation, and boundless potential of the Theta Network. So as you can tell, here's a little description of it. A little skeptical because there's only been 3 sold. Kind of unfortunate right now. Just hopefully if you guys have bought the ticket and there's more sold and this is just a little error on their end, definitely comment down below what you guys think about the whole Theta EuroCon event, if you're going, anything about it itself. Continue on here a little bit as well, seeing that Stake Daily, it looks like just the edge note, just a little bit of funny with the Salt Man and then also Mitch Liu. I haven't seen too much Livia jobs on my end. I am also from the United States, not too sure if that's the reason why. If you are receiving different kind of jobs or tokens, comment down below. I've asked that before. It seems like based on certain locations, it seems like country wise, it's based on what kind of reward you will get, but just looking more for the community just to see where you guys are at in terms of your edge node and what you are earning. And continue on a little bit more. I do remember in my previous video we mentioned that there is almost 10,000 edge nodes on the Theta system, so looking forward to it. I did mention that Mitch Liu was also hoping to be 10,000 edge nodes. So as you can tell right here in the making of this video, looks like about 9,760 active edge nodes, almost 3,000 guardian nodes, and then 29 validator nodes. There's a lot of information as well on this entire page, so definitely dive through it if you have some time, guys, because it's just helpful for you guys to stay informed and updated in terms of your investing and what you should and should not know, or what you should know basically. But that is all I really have for today's video. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. So if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, in addition to my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, as well as my Theta Guardian if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, earn as much T-Fuel, as well as my Elite Edge node if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel. Same thing, overall process. How about the network? How about yourselves? As well as helping out my Theta YouTube channel. It really is appreciative, guys. It's almost at 100,000 Theta tokens for those who are trying to stake to it. So if you're able to at least help me reach that goal, help out the community, and just looking forward to building this channel and Theta world with you guys. But comment down below anything you'd like to mention, questions, things you want me to do for in terms of future videos. But until the next Theta video, the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.